Good morning, students.
Good morning.
How are you all?
We are fine.
Beta, today we will learn place value, face value and number names. Okay?
Okay.
Let's start.
Yes.
Okay, Divya, come. Start, beta.
2, 4, 3, 243. 43.
Very good. Next, Tejasvi, come. Start, beta.
5, 4, 3, 543.
Very good. Sanyogita, come. Start, beta.
5, 4, 2, 542.
Very good. Right, beta. Very good. Shivans, come. Start, beta.
5, 4, 3.
Beta, place value of 5.
500.
Very good. Next, Harshit, come. Beta, place value of 5.
50.
Very good. Pargati, come. Start, beta.
3, 2, 5.
Beta, face value of 3. Face value of 3.
3.
Very good. Next, Garvit, come. Start, beta.
4, 3, 5.
Face value of 5, beta.
5.
वेरी गुड. तो बेटा आज हमने क्या सीखा? प्लेस वैल्यू, फेस वैल्यू